Cellular respiration's main goal is to convert chemical energy in food, this food being glucose, to chemical energy stored in ATP. Cellular respiration basically wants to make ATP energy for the cell. The chemical equation for cellular respiration is glucose plus oxygen yields water, carbon dioxide, and ATP energy. Cellular respiration is so important because it generates usable ATP energy. Without this energy, our bodies and our cells can't function correctly. So it's very vital that this system is working. However, a disease or infection like cyanide poisoning can alter or halt this respiration. Cyanide poisoning is a type of poisoning that inhibits aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is cellular respiration when there's oxygen available. This type of poisoning occurs in the mitochondria. Cyanide poisoning is very dangerous to cellular respiration as it blocks the reduction of oxygen and water during the process. The toxicity of cyanide is mainly linked to the end of this aerobic respiration. The cyanide irreversibly binds certain ions to 3 within the mitochondria. Basically, when a cell is poisoned by cyanide, oxygen can't correctly react with glucose to form ATP energy for the cell. Since this interferes with aerobic respiration, as oxygen is affected because of cyanide poisoning, there's less ATP energy to be made. This affects the body function, and in certain cases, cyanide poisoning can lead to incredible sickness or death. Some symptoms of cyanide poisoning are headaches, dizziness, fast heart rate, shortness of breath, and vomiting. Intense symptoms are seizures, slow heart rate, low blood pressure, a loss of consciousness, and in some cases, cardiac arrest, which in some cases can lead to death. The moral of the story: cyanide poisoning affects oxygen's ability to react during cellular respiration, more specifically, aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration makes the most amount of ATP and is the most important to the body's ability to function. Less ATP energy, worse body function. Cellular respiration is very important to the body. Without it, we could not live. We would not have enough energy. Cyanide poisoning is very dangerous as it inhibits cellular respiration, and ATP is not able to be formed as efficiently. Basically, don't get cyanide poisoning.